Imagine a world where machines think, create, and even feel almost human. What once sounded like science fiction is now our reality. Welcome to Neura Toolkit. Today we're taking you on an epic journey through the history of technology and the rise of artificial intelligence. How we went from stone tools to smart machines transforming every part of our lives. Thousands of years ago, early humans relied on simple inventions to survive. They shaped stones into sharp blades, crafted wooden spears for hunting, and discovered fire to cook food and keep predators away. These breakthroughs were the earliest sparks of innovation, small steps that changed everything. But have you ever wondered, how did we get from carving tools out of rock to creating AI that can write stories and diagnose diseases? Stay tuned, because this journey will change how you see the world around you. Around 3000 BC, the Sumerians invented the wheel, revolutionizing how people moved goods and built civilizations. Soon after, ancient Egyptians developed complex engineering techniques to construct massive monuments. Over the centuries, inventions like the compass, the printing press, and the steam engine propelled humanity forward. Then came the Industrial Revolution. Factories powered by steam engines replaced handmade production. Railroads connected cities, electricity illuminated homes, and telegraphs delivered messages across continents in seconds. For the first time, technology began to reshape society on a global scale. In the early 20th century, something even more remarkable began to take shape: computers. At first, they were enormous machines that filled entire rooms like ENIAC, built in the 1940s to perform calculations faster than any human. These early computers were limited, but they planted the seeds of modern computing. And here's something you might not know. The dream of artificial intelligence, machines that could think, began over 70 years ago. In 1956, a small group of scientists coined the term artificial intelligence, launching an idea that would eventually touch every corner of our lives. In those early days, AI was mostly about rules and logic. Programs could solve puzzles and play chess, but they struggled with anything unpredictable or messy, like understanding language or recognizing images. Progress was slow, and more than once, funding dried up, leading to periods known as AI winters. But breakthroughs kept coming. In the 1980s and 90s, researchers explored neural networks, computer systems inspired by the human brain. Even then, computing power wasn't quite strong enough to unlock their full potential. Everything changed in the 2010s. Advances in hardware and the rise of big data gave deep learning the boost it needed. Suddenly, AI systems could learn patterns from millions of examples. Image recognition became more accurate than ever before. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa entered our homes, answering questions and controlling smart devices. Self-driving cars began navigating city streets. It's amazing to think, in just one generation, we went from computers that could barely count to AI models that write books, create art, and hold conversations that feel almost human. Today, AI is everywhere. It recommends what you watch, helps doctors detect disease, translates languages, and even predicts weather. Large language models and generative AI tools are pushing boundaries further than ever before. But with these incredible advances come big questions. How do we ensure AI is ethical and unbiased? What happens to jobs as automation spreads? And how do we protect privacy and security in a world run by intelligent systems? From the earliest stone tools to algorithms that learn and create, the history of technology and artificial intelligence is a story of relentless curiosity and ambition. It's proof that when humans dream big, the impossible can become real. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time. If you found this story as fascinating as I do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. I'm Neura, and I'll see you next time on Neura Toolkit.